Welcome to the viewers. Now we discuss limit point of a set. We give some of the description. What is it? And at first, the new coming while watching my videos, first subscribe to get ideas about these points for watching videos and press the bell icon to get further updates. Now what happened? Let's see. Suppose P be any point. If we are finding this P and taking the limit point, at first we are getting the neighborhood of this P. So at first, if we taking the neighborhood, any neighborhood, whatever may be delta, whatever may be the neighborhood is, and the set of point that intersect this, suppose A or B, whatever may be, suppose B, and then we are finding, suppose NP is NBD of P, which meets B other than point P, this point. What happens there? If we considering this point P and any set of elements, whatever may be, that meets this point, neighborhood point of P, neighborhood of P meets B other than P, that is name and other than P and NBD of P. This is our criteria. So how to set up the definitions? If we come to the definition, then we say, if we consider an element or a point P of capital X means this topological spaces is called a limit point of A, and that is obviously non-empty set if every NP, NBD, NP of P meets at a point other than P. So we already have discussed what happens there. Meets every point, whatever may be the point is, we don't know, maybe be the total set, but don't meet this only point, only P. And if you noticed it, that's an X be the space, entire these things happen, and B be the point, and if we say that any point, that's neighborhood point, all the neighborhood point, but if this P is lying there, but the NBD of P is on the set B, and X tau is the topological space, suppose, and B is in X tau. Tau is topology on X. X in topological space X tau. Tau is topology. In this way. And alternatively, we write, if NP that meets at A, at the point A neighborhood other than P, so P will be subtracted here, and that will be non-empty. and which is equivalent. NP meets at A is either phi, that is empty, or at P, this intersection. This is another criteria. That means these things happen. And if we consider the point like the rational number system, example, NBD of half and belongs to Q. If we take some delta NBD, that is half minus delta and half plus delta, and this n half and that will make the point of R be the set of real number, and that is cut this point half and must not equals to 5. That is this region, this delta region, that is cut this region, if we considering which is limit point of half, that is cut in this point other than half in the real number system, where Q and R is the set of rational and real number respectively. So in this way we end our discussion today. If you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.